If you're tired of dealing with unpleasant odors in your bathroom, there are a few simple tips to help you keep your toilet smelling fresh. Regularly cleaning your toilet seat and bowl every 2 or 3 days will prevent bacteria growth and eliminate odors. Use a toilet brush and cleaner, and be sure to wipe out the hinge of the toilet seat to remove bacteria buildup. Keeping the toilet tank clean is also important for a nice smelling toilet, as bacteria in the tank can cause unpleasant smells. Use vinegar to neutralize odors by pouring about 1 cup into the tank and scrubbing the sides. Or spray some Windex into the tank to leave a pleasant, clean scent. Hydrogen peroxide can be sprayed directly on top of the water in the bowl to break down bad smells. DIY baking soda bombs are also a great way to keep your toilet nice and clean. Just mix 1 cup, 128 grams of baking soda, 1/4 cup, 32 grams of citric acid, 20 to 40 drops of your favorite essential oil, and around 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of water. Mix and press the mixture together. Pack it into a mold to dry overnight. Pop it out of the mold and toss it into your toilet. Let the bomb sit and fizz at the bottom of the toilet bowl, and then use a scrub brush to swirl the mixture up the sides of the bowl for a clean-smelling commode.